Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Criefarmywife TV. Welcome back. And guys, I'm back in the kitchen again. I'm gonna show you how to make Jamaican rich and moist Christmas cake. Guys, you're gonna love it, and just come along with me. Make I show you how to make a rich and moist Jamaican Christmas cake. Gonna show you my ingredients, and guys, just come along with me and big up on yourself. And these are my ingredients. I have 2 pounds of butter using, 2 pounds of sugar, and 2 pounds of flour. Here I have Jamaican Ray and Nevia rum. I don't have any Jamaican wine, so I'm using this sweet wine. You have to use a sweet wine, yes, to get a good flavor and the cake not come out bitter. So yes, so here I have some vanilla, I have my browning, I have my nutmeg, I have my lemon juice, I have my 3 tablespoons of baking powder, and I have my lime skin. I grate the lime, grate the skin of the lime, and just put it here. It helps to take away the rawness in the cake. And here I have my breadcrumbs. Yes. Here I have my razor here. Yes, so I'm gonna show you how I blend it out. Yeah, my 10 eggs. This is the amount of egg I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna start at 1. I'm gonna mix this until it turns, until it gets so smooth and creamy. And guys, you have to mix it till it get creamy. Okay, look at this. It is so creamy. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is to add my 12 eggs. So here I have my 12 eggs. So what I'm gonna do is just pour little by little into this flour and sugar. Just gonna throw little by little. Yeah, that's 2 going there. I'm done with my last 2. So here I'm gonna pour my lime juice. It gives a good flavor and it helps take away the rawness. And this is the lime skin that I grated. Yeah, it also gives it flavor. So what I'm gonna do now is to add my dry ingredients. Yeah. So here I'm gonna add my dry ingredients, and this is 2 pounds of flour because I use 2 pounds of butter and 2 pounds of sugar. So this is 2 pounds of flour. So this is 3 tablespoons of baking powder. Then I have some cinnamon powder. Gonna add some nutmeg. So I'm just gonna stir this up, stir it around that everything mix. Yeah. time and stir it because you don't want some part to have what you just put in there, your spice, and then some part don't have. So you just take your time and stir it until everywhere all of the spice you put in there mix up, all mix up. Yeah. So you have to smell the spice them in the flour. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use this. Yes, I'm gonna use this one. I'm just gonna pour out little and take my time and just mix it, okay? And you can use this, yeah, but as a Jamaican, you know, this may I use, yeah, a wooden spoon, yeah. And just take your time. Wait, I'm gonna take me like this. I'm gonna take me like that spatula here at all. That's right, name spatula. Very good. I don't know if the container here is too little. I think it's too small. Seriously. I'm not going to use this. I don't like it. I'm going to use this. Last time I make a Christmas cake, I used this one. And I think it worked better than this one. Yeah. Color that you want, you just pour some more browning in there. Remember, this is a workout. And remember, when you mix it, make sure your spatula go down to the bottom of the container and dig up everything way down at the bottom. Yeah. Because you don't want no white in the cake bottom. When you finish make it, you see some part white and some part. So you don't want that, so you just go down and you take your time and turn it. There's a two color right here, so that's one, see one color, one straight color. Yeah. So mix it until I see one straight color. I go, this container too small, so what I'm gonna do, I throw some right in here and just finish mix out the little flour we leave and the little fruits we leave. Okay? most important part now. If you just make sure you mix it out properly, okay? Yeah. Yes guys, I'm back and I greased my container. I have 5 containers. I already greased them with my butter. So guys, I'm in trouble now because it's me alone. I have to lift up this, and trust me, it's heavy. So you just bear with me, okay? I'm gonna say how I'm gonna do it. If you see it, I throw it and the place I get messy, just bear with me, okay? But never try. When I do this thing, it's all about cleanliness also. It's not about all about the ingredients, it's all about the cleanliness, because trust me, your hand have to clean. Because I said no, they are doing and messy, yeah. So when I do them watch it. I do it, yes. So what I do now, what I do now is I shake it up like this. So I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Little still leave now this, so I'm going to just put this now in a separate container. Yes, I'll get 6 here. So we'll get back to you on the next clip, okay? I'm going to place them in my oven. It turns on a long time, so it preheat. So I'm just going to put them in now. Just use this because you know I'm getting a burn. Last time you get burned. And I put 3 on top and 3 on bottom. So I'm gonna make my cake then bake for 1 hour, but when it reach 45 minutes, I'm gonna just turn on the stove. Yes, that I can get the moist, that I can get the rich, moist Jamaican Christmas cake. So I will get back to you on the next clip. Here's the finished look of my Jamaican moist Christmas block cake, Jamaican recipe, Jamaican style. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up and please try it. Yes, and comment and tell me all about it. Please subscribe and share. Big up on yourself. Season's greetings to you all. Blessings. Bye.